He's doing the train. What are you doing, Dustin? What are you doing? What are you doing? Tell me. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Is that Spencer? And who is that? Thomas. You gonna be quiet? Uh-oh. Spencer. Spencer's pushing Thomas. You love your trains, don't you, sweetie? Okay. Dustin and his Thomas the Train Track Master Track. Well, we got a little farm in there for him, too. We got a whole bunch for Christmas. And this is his track. Dustin, Train Master. Say bye. Okay. Whoa. Train Master. He's good at this. There it goes. Uh-oh. Oh, Spencer. Okay. Say all aboard. Oh no. What's gonna happen? Our background music. He likes to make him crash. Yes, I hear this all day. Okay. Say bye, Dustin. He's busy.